Transform your dinner gatherings with the Giles & Posner Electric Stone Raclette Grill. Perfect for up to 8 people. It features a removable stone hot plate, non-stick grill pans, and adjustable temperature control. Cook meats, cheeses, and veggies effortlessly, then wipe clean, easy and fun for everyone. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for the perfect way to impress your guests? The Salter EK4513 Electric Raclette Grill and Fondue Set has everything you need. With a powerful 1400-watt motor, adjustable temperature, 6 fondue forks, and 8 non-stick grill pans, you can melt cheese, chocolate, or cook grilled veggies all in one stylish black unit. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a fun, foil way to cook with family and friends? The Andrew James 8-person traditional raclette grill is perfect. With a huge 42 centimeters by 30 centimeters non-stick hot plate, 8 colorful pans, and 1200 watts of power, you can grill vegetables, meat, and melt cheese all at once. Easy to clean, portable, and great for parties or camping, it's your new favorite kitchen gadget. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for the ultimate indoor grill for your next party or family dinner? The Hengbo Raclette Grill for 8 people features 2 cooking zones, one ridged for grilling meats and vegetables, and a smooth surface for frying eggs or crepes. With smart temperature control, non-stick surfaces, and 8 individual pans, it's perfect for delicious, healthy, and fun meals. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the ultimate raclette grill, designed for 8 people, featuring a large electric grill surface, 8 mini non-stick pans, and 4 wooden spatulas for personalized cooking. Perfect for meats, veggies, cheese, and more, with adjustable temperature control and easy cleanup. Make every meal a fun, social feast. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Bosca Raclette Cheese Oslo, a compact, stylish, and portable party tool that melts cheese effortlessly using tea lights or your barbecue. Its non-stick coating makes cleaning a breeze, perfect for sharing melted cheese or grilled veggies with friends and family anywhere. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for the perfect way to enjoy a fun, social meal? The Quest Raclette Grill for 8 people offers even heat distribution, a non-stick surface, and cool touch handles, making it easy and safe to cook cheese, vegetables, meats, and more. It's dishwasher safe, versatile, and ideal for family dinners or relaxed parties. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.